Hi, welcome to the product demo of Peak. My name is Anurag Tripathi and I'm an AI product manager. Now, in this video, we'll be talking about what is Peak, why we built it, how to use it. Before moving to the next part, let's talk about a common problem that we face with all the AI tools, that they can only read what we type, right? They can only understand what we type or what we instruct them. They can't read our screen, they can't understand what is going on. They do not have the context of the context screen that we are working on. To solve this problem, we built Peak. Now, this is a window of Peak. It can literally stays on your screen and it can tell you and provide instant answers to the current screen you are working on. So this is the current code. This is the window that we have right now. There is a bunch of code that is written over here. I'll want Peak to answer me and suggest what's written over there and simplify it for me. So I'll use the shortcut, and the shortcut is clearly mentioned over here. It's Control Alt Space. So I'll press Control Alt Space and I'll ask the question from Peak. Hi Peak, I have this file that is browser-agent.ts open in front of me. Can you deeply analyze and suggest me in short and simple what the code is all about? So I have given this instruction to Peak. Let's wait for a couple of minutes and Peak is going to give us an answer. In the meantime, you can also see Peak is reading the screen. It is understanding the context of the code written over here, and it will provide me an audio as well as
This
an text
file
answer.
defines the browser agent class, which is responsible for managing interactions with Google's Gemini AI models and handling global keyboard shortcuts. 1. Task interruptions/shortcuts. In the initialize method, it registers a global shortcut to listen for user input and safely cancel active AI tasks.
Okay, so we have to interrupt this. Let's move to the next use case. I play chess a lot, so let's try and test Peak that whether it would be able to answer me some chess moves. So I have this chess window that is currently open right now. I'm in between a game, by the way, and I want Peak to understand this game and give me a proper answer and give me the next move, to be very frank. So I'll use Control Alt Space. Hey Peak, understand the game that is running right now and suggest the next best move for me. Keep the answer short and crisp. So as soon as I enter this shortcut, I have given my command to Peak. Let's wait if Peak is able to give me an answer. Okay, let's wait. Peak is thinking right now. We'll wait for a couple of seconds, because since this is a game, so Peak has to understand the context of the entire game in order
Your
to give
next
us
best move is NB5, moving your knight from A3 to B5. 1. Attacks the queen. It immediately threatens the black queen on D6. 2. Fork threat. It sets up a devastating fork on C7, which would check the king and win the rook on A8.
Now that sounds perfect. Peak was able to answer us instantly about the next move. Let's give it a more complex task. Let's try to give it a lead code and let's ask it to summarize this and explain it to us like we are 15-year-olds, because we indeed are. So let's use the shortcut Control Alt Space and I'll speak it. Hey Peak, understand and analyze the question, the lead code question that is in front of you, and give me the summary of the entire question in short and crisp, and keep the answer as simple as you are teaching it to a 15-year-old. I have provided my instructions to Peak. Let Peak analyze and give me the answer. We'll wait for a couple of seconds. Meanwhile, Peak is understanding. You can see everything that is going
Imagine
behind.
you have a chain of toy boxes connected in a line by blue strings. Each box has 1. A number inside it. 2. A blue string pointing to the next box in line. 3.
Great, great, great. So we have a lot of things that were going on, and we can see that Peak is able to answer each and every question, to us, and it is also able to understand every sort of screens that we have been, right. It can understand the code that is written over here. It can understand the chess game. At the same time, it can also answer questions, uh, lead code questions which are hard enough. We are actually solving a hard lead code question. So this is all about Peak, and what if Peak can also perform actions for us, like it can write mails for us, it can read mails for us, it can find the cheapest, right, or it can do anything for us, right. And this is what I am currently building at Peak, and because I want to integrate Peak and I want to give it more power so that it can do all the other work like a powerful AI agent. So this was about Peak. Thank you for staying with me, and thank you for watching.